2, okay? The old lesson, which is equivalent fractions, and the new lesson, which is comparing, okay? 4.NF.1, and that's equivalent fractions, okay? What does it mean for something to be equivalent? Okay. What does it mean to be equivalent? Well, what does that word sound like? Talk to me. Equal. So equivalent means to be equal. Okay? Let me ask you this. Does fractions have to have the same numbers in them to be equal?
Yes.
She said yes. Do they? So, if I have 1/2 and 2/4, are these equal fractions? Well, I don't know. Let me draw it. How many pieces should I break this fraction up in?
1, 2.
Say it. 2. What number did you look at?
The bottom.
The denominator. Okay. How many should I shade in? 1. Let's see if they're equal. And then 2/4. How many should I shade in?
2.
2. Okay? Are they equivalent or are they not? They are. What do you notice? They have the same amount of what? Pay attention to the amount of shading. Even though this piece is broken down into 4 pieces and this one is broken down into 2, doesn't it still have the same amount of shading? Yeah. So that makes them equivalent or equal. So you can use pictures to figure out if they're equal. Or, what's the other technique? Cross multiply. Okay? So you can cross multiply. Okay? Give me 2 fractions. 1/2 and 2/4. I'll use the same ones. I'll set them up side by side. Put an equal sign in between them. You told me to cross multiply, didn't you? Didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What comes down? The equal sign. Cross multiply makes me think of what letter?
X.
X. Okay? What multiplication problem goes on this side? Go ahead.
2
2 times.
2.
And what goes over here?
1 times 4.
So I get 4 equals 4. Ain't that what I want?
Yes.
So I want the left side to equal the right. So that lets you know, yes, they are equivalent. Okay? Yes, they are equivalent. Alright? Now, I'm going to blend comparing fractions. Okay? If you don't get this, don't worry about it. You're going to go home and watch it on YouTube. Okay? So you'll be able to pause, stop it, start it, and go. It'll take as long as you need to. Okay? I'm going to erase this for the sake of time. Okay? And talk about comparing fractions, which is okay, you guys are 4th grade. No wonder it didn't look right. I'm looking in the wrong place. Okay. Let's do 4.NF.2.